When you get into fixtures like the profile panels that have a bunch of macro controls and some built-in programs, so if we go to right here, let's see, that's the strobe. What about that one? Profile panel. So we can turn on just static colors like pink. Pink is on right here. But then if we look right here, you can see where it says programs and it says macros. So we click a macro here, and you can see it's doing one of its standard macros. It's kind of slow right here. If you look directly below that, you'll see program speed. You can click on that here, and then you can click and drag this knob here to raise and lower the speed. Let's say we speed it way up. You can see now it's changing significantly faster. So we'll also take this time to show you how to make a new button. So I didn't really do any macro buttons over here, but right now let's say we like that speed and we like that effect. So we'll set that, we'll make the light do what we like here. And we'll go up to the top of the screen here, and you'll see where it says button. Click on button, and it'll say new scene. Go ahead and click new scene. And now over here, it allows us to name the scene. We can call this macro 13. Let's look over here to our keyboard. Macro 13. If you look back up here, it says macro 13. And then you'll notice it says as you see now. This effectively just says whatever the lights are currently doing, save that into a button. And when it adds a button, it's going to put it over here in this list right here. So we're going to get OK. If you hit OK and edit, it'll open up a new window that'll allow you to manipulate the actual DMX channels to like fine-tune things outside of what you could do here. Just get used to hitting OK after you do this. And now you see we have macro 13 over here. So again, remember this button right up here is initiate. This is to turn them off. So we click that, they're off. Now if I click macro 13, what we just did, you'll see now they're programmed the way they were. Another thing is, I believe, even with these macros, go up to page right here, we can slow that down. Actually, I'm wrong about that. That does not control the macro speed. This would control speeds of movements and stuff and other things, like we had programmed like this 3-color flash here, I believe. So see how it's going really fast right now? So if I grab that same speed knob and slow it way down, it'll slow that flash way down, and then I can speed it back up. And this also gives you a global dimming control for the page. So we can grab this here and we can dim the fixtures way down all the way to off, or we can bring that dimmer way back up into brightness, and that's up here under page. It'll typically be on general when you first open the page, but if you click on page right next to it, that's how you get the speed control and this global dimming control.